Hey everybody, Pete Nowaskey here with another edition of Tech Tip Tuesday. So in front of me today, I have a set of Nowaskey 13-inch dual adjustable shocks. For the point of today's video, it doesn't matter what Nowaskey shocks you have, but I want to talk about the shaft of our shock again. So we do something a little different here at Nowaskey. We use a nitride shaft that has a micro crosshatch in it. So if I can dumb that down a little bit, there's little sanding marks or grooves in this shaft. It's not a chrome shaft like you're used to. The reason for that, this is a self-lubricating shaft. As the suspension moves in and out, the shaft is being lubricated every single time it goes in and out. So that allows for the shaft to move more easily, right? You don't have stiction from the seal, which is basically the seal dragging on the shaft as it goes in and out. So we use this shaft, the self-lubricating shaft, because not only does the shock move easier, but it increases seal life. So you're actually gonna be able to go longer between a rebuild, and the seal is gonna last significantly longer because it's always lubricated as well. So the reason I'm talking about this is we get calls from time to time saying, hey, my shocks are damp. So around this area here, the bottom part of the body here, or even maybe around your adjuster, you'll notice that it's just damp and dirt's collecting there. You don't have a problem. That's just a result of the self-lubricating shaft. So all you need to do is wipe these shocks down once in a while. When you clean your bike, wipe the shocks off. It's just gonna be part of maintenance. No different than taking care of your chain, lubricating and cleaning that, or keeping brake dust off your bike or whatever. It's just part of it. And trust me, it's a lot better. We wouldn't do it if there wasn't significant gains to be had by doing that. So again, don't be concerned if this is damp, just keep it clean. If you have a problem, you are gonna know it. And we have almost no issues with our suspension. I'd like to add that. So that is Nowaskey Tech Tip Tuesday, understanding the Nowaskey suspension and understanding that you have to keep it clean. This will be damp, that's part of the design. So again, Pete Nowaskey, Tech Tip Tuesday. Let us know what you think. Like, subscribe, let us know what you think in the comments.